Hey guys, want to try something new? Or I know, another heart. Just trying it out a different wood. Don't even know what this is. The mystery wood. I think it might be black walnut. Won't know till I get to carving into it. It has a distinctive smell, but I can't smell it on this. So, and then this I think is mahogany. Now these are all going to be different projects, but I'm gonna get into one of them and see which one I can figure out. Let's start with this one. It looks like the longest project anyway. Let's try a little bit of pocket knifage. I just sharpened this and I'm kind of wondering how sharp it is. It's a very old pocket knife that I basically just found, but there's some big chunks in here that I want to try to get off. I'm probably going to start playing music for you so I can just so you know it's not walnut. And there's a knot in there, so I'm going to need a better knife. I think I need to put this in the bandsaw. That's too hard to diddle with. I don't know what it is, but we'll go to this one. Maybe 2 for 2 we can't do. Don't think you could do a whole lot of detail in this. And I'm back again. I gave up on it. I went and did the bandsaw to get that off because I didn't want to waste all the rest of that wood hacking it away. I figured I could use it for something other than that. And then I bandsawed this one out. This is so hard, it actually just pretty much burnt its way through that. It's some hard stuff. But anyhow, let's see if we can now shape it up the rest of the way. I won't lie to you. This is some hard stuff. I don't know what it is, but it's got a very tight grain and it is very, very hard. I'm feeling this here, so does it have the right feel around? Because once I start sanding it, I think this is mahogany, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. I just, by the look of it, that was what came to mind. It is carvable. It's not. It's actually kind of fun to carve. It's not that. I just didn't want to waste that whole piece. I'd had to come carving it. You'd have to come this far into it to try to get the sweep or try to cut into it, and it's just more chance for it breaking. So since I was already going to go out for the other piece to the bandsaw, I just decided to go ahead and knock them both out. Since I've got to go out in the garage to do it, might as well do them both. I don't know how this will sand. It doesn't feel like it should sand good. But it's got a lot of holes in it, and sometimes that just fills up with the sandpaper dust, so it doesn't really, the dust from the sanding, and it doesn't look good. So we will have to see. I don't think you want to watch me sand it. So I will get me a frosty beverage and do that with some music playing, because it's probably going to take a while. I know it will with this one. Yeah. I will come back when it's all done. See you in a little while. Well, guys, this is how it came out. This one got a buzzing sound. I don't know what it is. Anyhow.